Okay, we didn't see today coming. It rained all week, so it melted the snow, and today's 40 degrees in the sun, and the kids got brand new bikes, and they can't help it. They want to ride. So Liam is going to try doing the break-in of his 85 if he doesn't freeze within 10 minutes, and Tyler wants to learn a YZ65 clutch. So, as proof as to why my dad and I aren't riding, how's that for ice?
I want to try it.
You want it? I wouldn't eat it. What are you doing?
No, I'm not doing it. I just wanted to see how thick it was.
Yeah, this is my justification for the 450 being home. Cool. I don't need to do this. All right, you think you can handle this?
Yeah.
No crying, no tears. And I can't take you home till you do it. Whoops. So it's do or die. So what do you do if you get scared? Pull in the clutch. No matter what, pull the clutch in. Just, yeah, if you get scared, pull the clutch in. Everything's slow, nothing fast. Now more gas, more gas, more gas, more gas. That's okay? That's okay. Okay. Take 2. So now more gas this time. Not crazy. Just hold it like right there. You're not gonna kill yourself. More gas. That's okay. So what happened was technically, Tyler, your clutch was great, but as your motor went up, you didn't give any gas. So your left hand was good, but your right hand sat here doing nothing. It's both hands. Okay. More gas. Okay. Let go and watch my hand. So you were doing good. You got close, and you just let go, and so it snapped forward too fast. I know it's hard. If it's easy, it wouldn't be worth doing. Okay. Do it again. Oh,
so close.
Right now, I just want you to move.
What? I have.
Yeah, look at your hand.
Your clutch is out.
Yep. Move your hand. Move your hand. Stop. Move your hand. Put it here. Move your hand. I want your hand off. Okay, now watch. Watch. No, watch. No, look. Smooth. Will you just stop? Hold my hand if you have to. Now watch. See that? Here, come with me. Watch my clutch and listen to the motor. Okay, now watch. So watch again, Tyler. Watch my hand. So look it. Once you start moving, don't let it out all the way. Don't let that. Okay. You're in gear. Mister, you better go gear up before you lose the sun, because once the sun goes down, you're gonna freeze out.
We still have a lot of time on sunlight.
Gear up, sir. So I can't believe how good Tyler's doing. Not to discredit him, but for his first time walking out on the park, going from the 110 to a race bike, wow, what a difference. Kind of what I was telling my dad on here is, in his mind, you don't realize when you're on an automatic clutch, every time you go around a corner, and if it's slipping or doing work for you, you have no idea the work it's doing. Now he knows. Now it's live. Okay, here goes Liam's first time experiencing his brand new 85. I warmed it up for him a little. It's not broken yet.
Okay, you want me to go?
I'm ready for you to go. Awesome. See, Tyler, I said once you learn one bike, you got the rest. Like, hello. Little tall. That's okay. Side straddle it.
You're doing okay, don't you think, Liam?
And your clutch grab's a little late. Like I said, when we get all this adjusted, you'll like it more. Fantastic.
Are we both doing better than you?
Yeah, we are. Is it colder than you thought?
Way better.
Is it colder than you thought it'd be?
Yeah, way colder.
You never put a jacket on, ever. Whoa! Ha ha. Make her scream. Go for it. Do it. Do it. Woohoo! He was not ready for the hit. Once you know it's coming, it's totally different, but when you don't know the hit's coming, it's totally unexpected. I tried as many times as I could to explain to them what a two-stroke hit was, and they're just kind of staring at me with like deer in the headlight eyes. What are you talking about? Nah, now he knows. Okay, now try second. Do second. Downshift, come to a stop. Hey, hey.
What?
I take it all back. I'm so disappointed in you.
What is that?
Nope, nope, I'm done. Bye, bye, see ya, bye.
Daddy, I don't know.
Let's see if I can film and do a little break-in. Oh, you're fat. Okay, all right, Liam's on the 85. Okay, Liam's freezing. How was your first day in the 85 while you're shivering though, real quick? You liked it? You're cold. We're drooling. So how was your first day riding a clutch?
Good.
How'd you like it?
Good.
Yeah, now tell me, can you tell me at least something you liked going from the 110 4-speed auto to up to a YZ65? What did you like?
A lot more power.
A lot more power, yeah. What did you think about the suspension?
It was a lot different.
Yeah, a lot different. But you did good. You killed it 4 or 5 times, and then from there you almost hardly ever killed it again after that. I think you only killed it like 3. So good job, buddy. Proud of you. Good job. Okay, so funny little story here real quick. Liam wanted me to ride with him on his bike double before we left the park, and I don't have a helmet here with me. I've done it before. I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but as we're leaving the park, there's a park ranger on the road, so he flips his lights on and I have to pull over with my son with me. And he's not very happy. He's kind of sitting there chewing me out. He's telling me we got to lead by example. You set the example, and I agree with that to a degree. But what's kind of funny about that, if you think about it, is the state of Idaho, which is less than an hour drive from here, they don't require helmets. So you can go on the road, no helmet, Harley, whatever you want. That's your freedom. But here, I was going 15 miles an hour, and I don't have a helmet, and I'm getting chewed. Now, right or wrong, you can take your position, but I think it's kind of funny, just the irony of how your location, 60 minutes one way or the other, determines how much you get chewed out or not. So anyway, then the other thing he wanted to chew me out about is the fact I'm on a bike that isn't street legal without 2 pegs. So I was illegally carrying a passenger. Well, I was the passenger. So I got chewed out for that. But I mean, that was nice. I didn't fight back. I acknowledged, yes, I did, like it or not. That's Washington state law. So I was breaking laws, and he let us go. I walked back to the truck. Liam got to go. So one thing I do believe in, right or wrong, I was breaking the law. You acknowledge it and you don't fight it. That's my mini political stance for everybody watching this video. You don't argue. You acknowledge what you've done. Take responsibility for yourself. I broke the law, and thankfully he didn't write me up for it. So at the very least, at the end of the day, even though Liam was like, he was being really mean to you, I hope he did see that leading by example, I acknowledged what I'd done and I didn't fight it. So you guys can tell me how bad of a parent I am or not, but that was kind of interesting and a little memory, for better or worse. That was a memory. Okay, so real quick, we had another weekend of good weather. In fact, this weekend might be a little better than last time. Kind of wish I had my bike actually a little bit, but so now let's kind of see how the boys are doing on attempt number 2. Okay, Tyler wants to try a little bit of a hill. It's not too crazy. A lot more power in that 110. Tyler found his favorite corner in the world. You don't have to go any faster, but I think third gear would lower the RPMs and make the corner feel more smooth. That's all. Same speed, third gear. All right, do something cool, Liam. What? Do something cool. Third gear wheelie through here. Come on. Sure takes off good. I like that he can come to a stop. I mean, I like that you can come to a stop on your own, though. He's got that clutch down. Yeah. Okay, so as expected, Liam froze out, so he's done riding. So even though this is kind of a fluke day riding at this time of year, I expect it. But Tyler, he's just going. He's Energizer Bunny, and he has adapted to this bike really well. And so he started climbing, if you can see in the shadows, he's been climbing this hill, which I'm pretty impressed with. Second time on the bike, so we'll catch him going up it here in a second. Yeah, he's killing it. Doing great. Man, that 65 sounds good. It's just got a perfect 2-stroke tone. Okay, well, since Liam's done and Tyler's pretty much running the same circle, I think we're gonna say this is it. I would tell you this is our last ride of the year, but I'm gonna quit saying that at this point. So we'll just have to see what happens. But at the very least, the kids got in. You know, they got their new bikes at the end of the year, and now they've gotten to ride them. So as we kind of chill out for winter, go into spring, they know what they're in for. So I know they're going to be excited to get back into it, regular riding. I'm excited for it. And right now I'm just shopping for a bunch of 450L parts. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. Keep riding if you can, and we'll see you guys next time.